Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about crypto arbitrage opportunity on Binance, which no one is talking about, and I've promised to give you guys good content on my channel which is going to worth your time watching. And make sure you consider to subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and engaging with my videos. The coin and the currency we are going to be using on this arbitrage opportunity is you are going to be using USDT and TZX. So you need to go navigate to your wallet and go to funding, go to your P2P. I'm going to press P2P. You need to change this your currency to TXL. After changing this to TSL, you need to press find. Let me use this filter over here. Amount 300,000 TZX. I'm going to press confirm. After pressing confirm, I just want to show you this. I'm going to press buy. After pressing buy, I want to buy by crypto. I'm going to press this $100. If you don't have a lot of money, you can start with just $100. If you want to trade with this guy, you will receive 239,549 Tanzanian currency. That's how much you are going to receive this. Make sure you have someone that has Tanzania, or you know how you need to be able to create a Tanzania account, or you find a friend that you believe that stay at Tanzania to do this business together. So if you are getting value in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn off the notification bell. So I'm going to minimize to my browser over here. As you can see over here, if you need to send money naira to Tanzania, you'll be able to send 45,560 naira. Then you will receive this money in Tanzania 339,720 Tanzania. So that's how much you'll be receiving. Remember, we bought $100 worth of USDT. I show you how much we are going to be getting. Make sure you take note of this. On Binance, we are going to be purchasing the money you send from Nigeria to Tanzania at bank rate. You will be receiving only like 239,720 in Tanzania. Then you come over to Binance. Then you sell the Tanzania to someone on this Binance P2P. After selling 100 USDT in this price, then you need to go back again, change this button over here, press NGN. It's already here in my history. I'm going to press NGN. See, as you can see, they are selling NGN on Binance at 778 naira. This is the current price. I'm going to go to my calculator. 788. That is going to be 77,800. Remember, I'm going to put minus 45,020. That's how much I sent to Tanzania to receive 239,720 to Tanzania. From Tanzania account, then you'll be able to send this over to Binance to buy on P2P to get $100 worth of USDT. After buying USDT on Binance, then you need to sell the USDT for naira. then you will receive 77,800. After receiving 78,800, then you will need to minus the money you send to Tanzania. Then this is the money I'm going to minus this now. Right now, this is 32,280. This is the profit you will be getting right now if you successful find someone you trust, or you have Tanzania account, or you luckily find some friend or relative and in Tanzania. Then just do this trade 10 times a day as much as possible. You'll be making at least 5 million or 10 million. You can do this as much as possible. You are able to do this. So if you get value in this video, kindly subscribe to my channel to receive good content like this that worth your time. And don't forget to turn up the notification bell. Like the video to get to more people. Please subscribe to my channel.